It would be embarrassing to call yourself a true marksman or a fan of the gun club if you don't own some specific pistols. I'm talking about guns that have truly shaped the firearm industry, gathering a huge fan base. It means that if you don't have at least one of these, don't brag about being a gun enthusiast at all. I'll be giving you exclusive details about each of the guns on our list, and since they're trendy, it's an opportunity for you to test your knowledge of firearms. You also have to know that this is the #1 YouTube channel every gun lover should be following. So take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel to be a part of our community. It would be a great addition to us. Now, where were we? Oh yes, let's get into the details of the 5 pistols every gun owner should own. Number 1. Glock 19. The Glock 19 is a legend in the firearms world. The Glock 19 was introduced in 1988 and has since become one of the most popular handguns in the world. The Glock 19 is a compact polymer-framed pistol that balances ease of concealment and shooting comfort. Its compact size makes it popular for concealed carry and law enforcement. It's renowned for its durability and toughness. The polymer frame and stainless steel slide make the gun lightweight but incredibly rugged. It can withstand harsh environments and is resistant to corrosion and wear. The Glock 19 is famously reliable. Its simple design means fewer moving parts and less risk of malfunction. The Glock's famous safe action trigger system ensures that the gun will only fire when the trigger is pulled, reducing the risk of accidental discharge. The Glock 19 holds 15 rounds of 9mm ammunition and impressive compact pistol capacity. This gives you more rounds for self-defense or target shooting without reloading frequently. The Glock 19's compact size and rounded edges make it easy to conceal under clothing or in a holster. It's often praised for its ability to disappear under a shirt or jacket, making it an excellent option for concealed carry. With so many excellent pistol options, deciding which is right for you can be challenging. Remember, your firearm is a personal choice that should be based on factors like fit, feel, and intended use. Also, whenever possible, visit a gun store or shooting range to handle different pistols and see how they feel in your hand. Number 2. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield. For those in the market for a reliable and practical concealed carry pistol, the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield is a highly recommended choice. With its compact size, lightweight design, and user-friendly features, the M&P Shield has quickly become one of the most popular concealed carry firearms in the United States. The M&P Shield was first introduced in 2012 and has since been adopted by law enforcement, private security personnel, and civilian gun owners. Its sleek and slim profile, combined with a durable polymer frame and stainless steel slide, makes it ideal for concealed carry. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield is known for its exceptional compact design, which strikes the perfect balance between comfort and effectiveness. Its dimensions and weight make it a comfortable and discreet carry option for everyday use, making it ideal for concealed carry. Reliability is one of the M&P Shield's key strengths. The pistol is built to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring it performs when you need it most. It's equipped with a passive safety trigger, a user-friendly thumb safety, and a durable trigger system, all designed to ensure that the pistol only fires when the user intends to do so. Number 3. Sig Sauer P320. The Sig Sauer P320 has gained immense popularity in the firearms community thanks to its unique modularity, impressive features, and wide range of applications. The P320's modular design allows users to swap out the grip module and other components to customize the pistol's size, grip angle, and feel. You can change the gun's configuration to suit different shooting scenarios or fit your preferences. The Sig Sauer P320 is available in a variety of sizes, calibers, and configurations, making it a versatile pistol that can serve as a duty weapon for law enforcement or military personnel, a concealed carry gun for civilians, or even a competition pistol. The P320 is also available in different finishes, including Coyote Tan, Flat Dark Earth, and Black. The 6-hour P320 was adopted by the United States military in 2017, replacing the M9 Beretta as the standard issue sidearm. The 6-hour P320 has also made its mark in competitive shooting. Thanks to its high capacity, accuracy, and reliability, it's popular in the United States Practical Shooting Association and the International Defensive Pistol Association. Number 4. CZ75. The CZ75 is another classic handgun with a reputation for reliability, accuracy, and timeless design. Created by the Czech company CZ in the 1970s, the CZ75 has become a popular choice among competitive shooters, military personnel, and gun enthusiasts alike. Many shooters praise the CZ75's ergonomics, which is designed to fit comfortably in the hand and provide an intuitive point of aim. Its grip angle is similar to that of 1911, making it comfortable for shooters accustomed to that platform. The CZ75's double-action or single-action trigger system allows for a smooth, consistent trigger pull. Its frame-mounted manual safety and slight stop lever make it easy to operate in high-stress situations. The CZ75's accuracy and reliability have made it a favorite among competition shooters, with many world-class shooters choosing it as their go-to pistol. Despite its age, the CZ75 has remained relevant and popular thanks to its classic design and quality craftsmanship. Number 5. Wesson Combat EDC XL. This classic firearm has achieved iconic status in the world of guns. Renowned for its reliability, the Wesson Combat EDC XL is also an epitome of accuracy and a timeless design. Its proven track record in the hands of soldiers and law enforcement officers cemented its reputation as a reliable and effective firearm. With its elegant curves and clean lines, the Wesson Combat EDC XL is considered one of the most beautiful handguns ever made. Many gun owners appreciate its style as much as its functionality. The Wesson Combat EDC XL single-action trigger system and heavy frame make shooting a pleasure. Its slim profile and high-capacity magazine make it a practical choice for personal defense and target shooting. If you've never shot the Wesson Combat EDC XL, this is your cue to give it a shot. If you found this video informative and insightful, please consider giving it a big thumbs up, sharing it with your friends and family who are interested in the topic, and subscribing to our channel for more quality content related to firearms and responsible gun ownership. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue producing engaging videos on various firearm-related topics. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to firearms, knowledge can help keep you and your loved ones safe. We appreciate you and hope to see you in the next video.